Stephen and Jennifer Finley were taking their young family out to lunch. As they crossed the street, Stephen noticed that the big truck coming their way was not slowing down. Stephen was able to act quickly. The Finley family was shaken up with minor injuries. Stephen, however, was not so lucky. Stephen is going to make it, but the road to recovery will take time. Now Jennifer is overwhelmed, worried about her husband's health, and is struggling to pay the bills. She doesn't know how she will ever begin to pay for medical expenses. What's worse, the driver's insurance company is blaming the Finley family for jaywalking. Finally, a trusted friend recommended she call Yaryan & Associates. They helped her family when her husband was hurt by a drunk driver. Yaryan & Associates are trial attorneys who really care about their clients. They hire the best experts and use the latest animation technology in court to show the jury exactly what happened to you and your family. With the professional and caring services of Yaryan & Associates, the Finleys' financial problems are now behind them and they can focus on their family and Stephen's road to recovery.